Hi, this is Jenny from Trackside Model Railroading. Welcome back to our short episodes visiting some of the layouts that we shoot for our digital magazine and DVDs. This time we visit John Pettigrew's N-scale Kokomo Junction Railroad.
Trackside model railroading, where the hobby comes to life.
We came to railfan the mythical Kokomo Junction Railroad, which runs historical and modern locomotives side by side, as it's a working railroad building toward running excursions through the Kokomo Valley of eastern Washington. We see a trio of ST-70 Aces hauling freight with some of the KJRR's restored old cars. They're slated to be part of the excursion train once it's ready, but in the meantime, owner and acting president John Pettigrew insists that they're used to help bring in revenue. We see the train traveling westbound along the Columbia River. It's heading toward Lewiston. It looks like another train at a stop for the tie gang that's working on the main today up on the upper line.